Hello guys, this is Eleftheria Barbajani from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well, and obviously it's Black Friday coming and everybody's ready for the big sales. Now, in today's video, I will show you how to create a coupon with the plugin called WooCommerce. Remember that WooCommerce is a plugin and it's actually free, but there are also paid extensions. It depends with your needs. For example, you can have like all customer details to, you can actually have a WordPress website and sell like a membership or whatever you want. It's actually the best plugin ever. It's free and you can have different paid versions. And today I will show you how to create a code to give to your subscribers, a discount code, and offer to subscribers, for your products. First of all, you go to plugins and activate the plugin here, and then you create you have all on your left hand side here the products, analytics, marketing, and now over to marketing we go to coupons. It's very simple way. And here you can straight away create a coupon, add coupon here. You can see it's actually simple. You don't need to do anything. You can have like fixed card discount. I mean, to be honest with you, I didn't touch those things. What I did is the only thing that I do is you have like a fixed card discount or fixed product discount. Depends on your needs, but I usually do percentage discount. You put a percentage here like 45, and also here you have the coupon expiry day. I will show you, but let's start from the beginning first. First of all, you can put the coupon name. Let's say you have Black Friday, but I'm using already one, so we can say Christmas 2020, for instance, and then you press this button, generate coupon code, and here I actually don't do anything or uses this restriction, leave those blank. I don't actually touch them, just leave them over there. Depends on your needs. I mean, if you have like selling products, then yes, obviously you're gonna see if you want to have a discount code with minimum spending or maximum spending, whatever you want. But what I do, this is more for a general and it's easy. And you press the publish button when you're done. And also here on the general, you can actually choose the day. So what day you want to be, your coupon to be expired. So let's say 31st, for instance, and then you do publish and you give this code is ready. When you hit, don't forget to make sure you publish this coupon. So in order for your subscribers, for instance, or anyone on your Facebook group, or basically your subscribers, because we offer discounts to our subscribers. So make sure you publish and then you send this, copy paste this, and you send it to them. You can write anything you want here, like Christmas or anything you want. And it's 45%, and you can try it as well to make sure that it's working. That is, I mean, it's so simple. You don't really need a degree for that. And remember, WooCommerce plugin is really good because it's helping you also with taking people's details, connecting, your products to your subscriber, to your email list and everything. So That's what you need to do. Remember that I usually leave everything else blank, but you can actually, depends on your needs, but this is what I do, basically make it simple and easy. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much, and I hope please like my video or subscribe to my channel, leave your comments below, let me know if you need any help, and thank you very much for today. I wish you well.